Welcome to my channel, Little Fox Fun TV. Let's learn about colorful birds in the world. Number 1. Scarlet macaw. Number 2. Toucan. Number 3. Peacock. Number 4. Eastern rosella. Number 5. Mandarin duck. Number 6. Painted bunting. Number 7. Lilac-breasted roller. Number 8. Rainbow lorikeet. Number 9. Atlantic puffin. Number 10. Northern cardinal. Number 11. Blue and yellow macaw. Number 12. Golden finch. Number 13. Resplendent quetzal. Number 14. Golden pheasant. Number 15. Harlequin macaw. Number 16. Wilson's bird of paradise. Number 17. Kingfisher. Number 18. Turquoise-browed motmot. Number 19. Sun kana. Number 20. Eclectus parrot. Number 21. Blue jay. Number 22. Red and green macaw. Number 23. American goldfinch. Number 24. Yellow warbler. Number 25. Purple gallinule. Number 26. Scarlet tanager. Number 27. Crimson rosella. Number 28. Rainbow bee-eater. Number 29. Blue-crowned kana. Number 30. Yellow-crowned Amazon. Thanks for watching. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel.